We had an interesting week of learning question words. We have a weekly recap of those. Let's see what we learned. We learned how to say, how are you? How are you doing with Necəsən? Or Haradasan, where are you? Where are you now? Or ne edirsən, what exactly are you doing? Remember spoken way? Neyniyirsən. Now, same goes for Haradasan. Haradasan, you write. Haradasan, you say. Or Kiminlə, with whom? Or Nədir, what is it? What is? Or Nə vaxt, punctuality question. When? What time? Or purpose questions. Why? How come? Now, yes, there was some dad joke uses. I had some of these here, which were, I typed Necəsən and my inbox thought I wanted small talk. Ask me nə vaxt. My answer is after coffee. I ask Niyə every Monday before coffee. My calendar knows Kiminlə meeting. I certainly don't. You said 2 minutes, my clock says 10. Haradasan. Now, quiz time. Which word means why? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about typing exactly the right alphabet, the right letters. Just type the closest match. Okay? Now, make sure to come back next week for new words because every week we are discovering multiple topics, just like we did this week, which were question words. Because remember, consistency is the fluency. Otherwise, if you're interested in learning more, I have Master Azerbaijani app and masterazerbaijani.com where you can go in and check more and learn more. I'll see you next week for a brand new topic. Cheers.